All right, transverse process of the thoracics. My patient position is prone. The doctor position is standing in a scissor stance, and I need to make absolutely certain that I'm on the side of that I've been told to palpate. So my starting landmark reminder will either be the vertebral prominence, which would be for the upper 6 thoracic vertebra, or the lumbosacral junction, which would be for the lower 6 thoracic vertebra. Also remember that I'm going to have to decide when I do this whether or not to move up 1 interspinous space or 2 interspinous spaces. If I'm palpating for T1 through T4, I'm going to move up 1 interspinous space. If I palpate for T5 through T8, then I'm going to move up 2 interspinous spaces, and then likewise for 9 through 12, it's also 1 interspinous space. So that T5 through T8 is the key zone where you actually do 2. So let's just assume T5 as what I've been assigned on the left T5 transverse process. So I will begin right up here with my vertebral prominence, and I will palpate with my superior hand. Well, I'm sorry, I count with my inferior hand, and I'll palpate down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so there is a T5. And now I'm going to, starting on this, I'm going to now with my inferior hand move up 1 interspinous space, and because it's T5, 2 interspinous spaces. I will move then laterally 1 inch. And now that I'm on that 1 inch, I have found the transverse process of the T5 left transverse process of the T5 vertebra. Now I need to wag the spinous to confirm that I found it. And to do that, I'm going to tighten my arm, and I'm going to use the thumb of my superior hand, and I'm going to push posterior to anterior on the transverse vertebral process with the thumb of the superior hand while palpating the spinous process with the index finger of my inferior hand. There I am wagging the spinous process. I'm making absolutely certain that I am completely over my patient to get full credit. There we go.